Hello, my dear friends. This is a story about a little boy named Tom. Tom is sleeping in his bed. His room is warm and quiet. Outside, the weather is changing. Listen. The rain is starting. Tap, tap, tap. Tom opens his eyes. What is that sound? He looks at the window. Lightning lights the sky. Boom! The thunder is very loud. Tom feels scared. He holds his teddy bear. I am scared. Tom gets out of his bed. He walks to the door. He tries to open it, but the door is stuck. Oh no! Suddenly, the light goes off. Now the room is dark. Tom looks around. I am all alone. He looks at the wall. The shadows look strange. The toys look scary. No monster! No monster! But Tom is still afraid. At the same time, Mom hears a sound. I must check Tom. She walks to his room. Tom, are you all right? Mom opens the door. Warm light comes in. Mommy is here. Tom runs to her. Mom, I was scared. Mom smiles gently. There is no monster, Tom. Let us look under your bed. They look together. Nothing is there. See, Tom? No monster. Mom points to the wall. Look, a little spider. It is very small and cute. The shadow looks funny now. Tom smiles. I am not scared anymore. Oh, look. It is only a shirt on the chair, not a monster. They laugh. The light comes back. Yay! The room is bright again. Mom gives Tom a flashlight. Here you are, Tom. You can use it when you feel scared. Wow, I have a flashlight. Tom turns it on. The light moves on the wall. No more scary shadows. Okay, my brave boy, it is time to sleep. Sure, Mom. Tom gets into his bed. Mom fixes his blanket. Good night, Tom. Good night, Mom. Tom closes his eyes. His teddy bear is beside him. Outside, the rain stops. The room is quiet. Tom feels safe. Tom feels peaceful. Be brave like Tom. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.